Well,
The humidity is stressing me out.
I know it is. I know. Hang in there, though. It is June, by the way, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. So we're going to have to deal with it out there for you this morning. Taking you out to DFW Airport, 79 degrees out there for you right now. Feels like it's 82. So this is about as good as it's going to get with the temperature and the heat and humidity that we're going to be dealing with out there for today. We'll have the mostly clear skies for you. So no weather-related issues if you're traveling heading out to the airports today. But those upper 60s and low 70 dew points out there. So as we look at the muggy meter this morning, we're well into the very sticky category, and it's kind of uncomfortable for you when you head out the door here this morning. So keep that in mind. All right, here's what it looks like as we head to the satellite. We're at our composite this morning. Not much going on as far as any showers and storms are concerned. Don't expect really any rain out there at all today. The Arctic region looking at a few showers and storms out there for you here this morning. Now, those highs, they will climb well into the 90s, low mid 90s, 94, maybe 95 coming over to Fort Worth and Dallas, maybe up around 95 to 96, heading out to Denton a little bit later today. Plenty of sunny skies. Going to be breezy as well with those gusty south winds today. They're going to be in that 15, 25 mile per hour range. When we factor in the humidity, look at that heat index today. It's going to feel like it's up around 102 to 103. Dallas over to Fort Worth. Denton, it's going to feel like it's around 101 for you, along with Waxahachie. So, yeah, we're going to feel like it's in the triple digits again this afternoon. So it gets set to sweat just a little bit. Take it easy if you do have to be out for any extended period of time. Now, mainly dry today, but we are talking about some thunderstorm chances as we get into Wednesday night. We will have a cold front approaching. You can see as we head toward 8 p.m. or so, initially up along the Red River, those will push a little farther south. So they will be scattered about as we head toward midnight into the Metroplex. So just something to keep in mind. Coverage is still going to be fairly low. We've bumped it up just a little bit to about a 30% coverage as we get into Thursday night. Some hail and wind can't be ruled out with some of those stronger thunderstorms, but I do think by Thursday morning, all that should be behind us. Now, we do still have that low wind risk, marginal risk, level 1 out of 5 for some hail and wind with any of those stronger thunderstorms Wednesday evening and Wednesday night. So just keep that in mind and keep checking back as we make updates to the forecast. Now, the heat, it's going to stay with us. Tomorrow, only going to be in the lower 90s, but we're going to be back into the mid 90s later in the week as summer officially arrives on Friday evening. We're looking at those highs around 95 to 96 as we head into the upcoming weekend. So here's that 14-day forecast for you. We're going to keep those temperatures on the seasonably hot and humid side for us. And you can see as we head into the first weekend of summer, we're going to be around 95 to 96. Some very low wind rain chances, perhaps Sunday into the early part of next week. But those daytime highs, we're going to stay in the mid 90s. So pretty seasonable temperatures for the second half of the 14-day outlook.